The courses that you provide to people might come with certificates, and it might be the case that you want to provide a feature on your site to allow people to check whether certificates they're looking at are valid or not. So let me show you the certificate search widget. Let me go and add a blank section here, and I'm going to go into widgets, and I'm going to drag in the widget that is called certificate search just here. Now, I'm just going to right click on settings just here, and you can see here is where I can change some things. I can change search certificate by ID or email, the text that appears just here. I can change the color of the search button, for example, and the download button style and that sort of thing. Now, what this essentially does is this allows people to look at a certificate that they've been shown and come onto your site and check whether it's valid, and they'll be able to search from the certificate details and check whether it is a valid certificate or not. And your site will keep accurate records of who's completed your courses, and there's nothing you need to do to keep that updated. People can literally just come onto your site, check that a certificate that someone has shown them is valid, and that's a nice little feature to have, especially if you're accrediting people with the knowledge that you give them. So that's the certificate search widget on the EzyBuilder.